Hey guys, so today we're going to be making the fan, which is number 10. Hey guys, today we're gonna make this fan, project number 10. To make this fan, you are going to need tape. If your paper's not long enough, I'll explain later. Scissors, glue, some printer paper. So what I'm using is just 24 lb, 24 pound paper, but you can also just use regular printer paper, you know, like you would stick in a printer. You also are going to need a hole punch and some string, and of course, your handy dandy ruler and a pencil. Let's get started. So you're going to take your ruler and you're going to cut out a 12 by 6 inch piece of paper. And as you've noticed, our paper is only 11 inches. So we're gonna have to add some paper on here. Maybe you have paper that's longer, but I'm just working with what I have. So what I'm going to do is literally just tape the paper together to make it longer. I'm gonna put it close together as possible. Tape right down the middle. If you have a longer paper, go ahead and just substitute that. When I made these with my kids at school, this worked great, just making it bigger. All right, so now I'm going to measure 6 inches down and place little marks. I like to do this to make sure that my line is straight. All right, now measure 12 inches. By 6 inches. And I'm just gonna do this like this. And then we're simply going to cut this out. Now this part was pretty hard, and it was also really hard for my son to do. Let's zoom you in. I'm doing this wrong. I'm gonna have to start over. I keep thinking to myself that these projects are designed for first graders, and yet I'm 35 and I have trouble with them. It'd be fun to get a bunch of like my married friends together and have them and their husbands sit down and try to do one of these projects together and work it out. I would love that. I should do it. Okay, now we're going to figure it out why I did it wrong. Becky, I'm doing a movie. Give me a second, I'm almost done. Okay, so on this side of the paper, we're gonna place dots on the top and bottom at 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, and 11 inches. So 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, and 11 inches. And we're gonna do the same at the top. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, and 11 inches. Okay, now turn the paper over from top to bottom, the left and right edges being unchanged. Place dots at the top and bottom at 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10 inches. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay. There we go. And now we're gonna draw lines on both sides. I should zoom it in again, okay. Ugh. Yes, dear? Okay. You can switch it to a different movie. All right, so now we're gonna fold and crease the lines. First on one side, then on the other. This is what you're supposed to do. This makes so much more sense. First on one side, flip it over, then on the other. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. I get it now. Okay. It said construct another fan in the same manner and paste together the outer folds of the two fans. Mix my fan real quick. So the part of it confusing me. I think I just want to actually paste these two together. Should we just use a heavier type of paper? I think they want me to paste it together like this to make a bigger fan. Like paste these outer folds right here together here, and then you have a bigger fan. So let's get some glue. Let's do some pasting. Right in here. Now it said to hold the folds together and punch 2 holes near the bottom. All right, so if you do it with this handheld thing, you're gonna have to go like literally step by step, but I have this heavy duty hole puncher, and I'm just gonna do that. So, let's see. 1, 2. I think that one was a little close to the edge, but now you're going to take some string and tie it with a cord. I made a lot of mistakes on this one, guys. A lot of mistakes. So there you have your beautiful fan.